Hi everyone, my name is Tanya Hertz. I am the director of the Rec Innovation Lab here at San Diego Miramar College.
It's hard to describe the Rec Innovation Center and Tanya Hertz leading it because it's so incredible.
And I am so happy to join the Rec Innovation Lab. They have done so much for me and my business. I wouldn't be where I am without them.
Thanks to the Rec Innovation Lab at Miramar College, Cloud Club Collective has grown in marketing, in business.
Thanks for all the provided workshops, seminars, and productions such as Mike helping us out right now to help us along our journey.
The Rec has been super instrumental in bringing my company further along than I could ever imagine.
Has provided me and everyone else as youth so many resources to achieve their dreams, and I'm really happy for that.
One of the things that we've dealt with as 3 African American women is making certain that we have access to resources that aren't always readily available for us.
Tanya's program is amazing and supportive, and when you're all alone and you don't have anyone to work with you, here's a place to get connections, to get inspiration, to get collaboration. It's an amazing program.
If it weren't for the Rec, I wouldn't be here right now, and I wouldn't have had so many opportunities that I'm still taking advantage of.
And we're grateful to our mentors and all of the support.
I love it, and I love all the resources I get.
And shout out to Tanya for helping me in so many ways.
Having this access to resources has been incredibly meaningful.
It's been huge, and I'm very, very appreciative of this opportunity to be a part of such a great foundation.
So thank you so much, Tanya, and everyone else at the Rec.
And I am so blessed and excited to be part of this program of connections with other entrepreneurs.
So if you want to learn entrepreneurship and startup, there's no greater program.